Good morning. This morning I'm making a breakfast omelet with egg whites, and this is smoked farm salmon. I usually buy the smoked wild salmon from Costco, but this caught my eye. It has no antibiotics in it. Unfortunately, there's a lot of other added ingredients. Um, so I think I'm going to go back to the smoked wild salmon next time. And I'm using some fresh mint that I just picked outside, and the cilantro the organic cilantro from Whole Foods Market. And on the back, in the burner, the pan in the back, you can see organic spinach and some seafood stock, sesame oil. And I'm using organic no salt seasoning from Costco. The farm salmon comes with this sauce, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Again, the next time I'll probably just buy the smoked wild salmon. This is less expensive, but not as good. So the spinach only took a couple of minutes. It's just wilted. You could continue cooking it longer. There's some crushed red pepper on the omelet, which I've turned, I've folded. And I'm going to be eating the omelet, a portion of the omelet and the spinach with some leftover organic pasta I made with sardines, and I put some monkfish in the sauce. So I drizzled the organic spaghetti with some olive oil before I put it in the microwave. Here's this great, nice hearty breakfast. Organic pasta, organic spinach, egg white omelet with grated Parmesan and fresh herbs, and smoked salmon. Enjoy.